Believe it or not, there's a way to get new email subscribers every single day from day one without building a website, without writing a single post, and without recording a single video. Yeah, you heard that right. No website, no social media, no paid ads. Everything runs 100% on autopilot. And this method, my friend, could literally be the easiest and strangest way to build a fully working email list while you're asleep. The whole system is powered by something called AutoLead Machine, a platform that claims it can guarantee new subscribers every single day, starting from day one. But before we talk about anything else, let's check out the video from the creator of this system, Jeremy Kennedy, and see exactly what he's offering. And hey, before we jump into that video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, the link to AutoLead Machine is right there in the description below if you want to check it out yourself.
Hey, Jeremy Kennedy here, and I am in my brand new camper. Decided to live the RV lifestyle. Just got married, and we decided to buy a camper and start living in it. And so far, we absolutely love it. And that is the thing I really love about being able to generate income online, is that you can do this kind of thing. You can work from home. You can work from anywhere. We got our camper. We're parked it. I wish I could show you the view at a beautiful spot on the river. And it's just been magnificent. And it's, most people vacation this way, but we're actually living this way. And actually, for the past 12, 13 years, I've been making a full-time living online. And it has been the best years of my life because it gives you time freedom. And when you can work from home, you can call your own shots and all that. But all that aside, an email list has been my lifeline. That has been the biggest, most profitable thing that I've had. The part where people struggle is actually building the email list, right? Getting the leads, getting the subscribers on your email list, getting the traffic, all that good stuff. And what I discovered, honestly, is the easiest way to build an email list I've ever seen. And in fact, probably the easiest way that exists out there because you're getting direct results. You're guaranteed, and it's very hard to say this in the online marketing space, but you're guaranteed to get subscribers. If you do it today, you will start getting subscribers today. It is so easy. It is push button easy. You don't need a website. Let me stress this. You don't need a website. You don't need social media. You don't have to go post content. No content creation, posting stuff on social media. No running social media ads. This is not solo ads. This is not safe lists or probably anything you've ever seen before. This is something brand new. I just discovered. I've never seen anybody else using this. I've never seen anybody else teaching this. It is a system, and it is meant specifically for putting email subscribers on your list. Guaranteed. And again, you've probably never seen this before. It's not covered in any typical online marketing stuff that I've ever seen. And I've been in the game, again, 12, 13 years. And these are highly targeted subscribers. You can do this in multiple verticals. I'm doing it in the make money online niche because that is my favorite. But you can do this in health and wellness, business opportunities, all kinds of home and garden, like all kinds of different niches. And none of the normal stuff that you would think building an email list. This is literally push button easy. You connect your autoresponder, you click a button, you click a couple buttons, okay, let's be fair. You click a few buttons and you hit go, and the leads just start coming in, and I mean pouring in. I got over 600 subscribers on my email list, 600 subscribers on my email list in less than 48 hours. Could have been in less than 24 hours had I wanted it to be. That's how fast this can work. And that is from setting it up from zero to go, right? You will actually watch me get those leads. So you'll see me set it up right in front of you inside of this training. It's only a few videos, few short videos. They don't need to be long because there's really not that much to it. You'll see me set up one campaign. You'll see me hit go. You'll see it. The subscribers come in, and you'll get to see the aftermath of all the 600 subscribers in my autoresponder. And you can do the same exact thing within hours, less than hours. In fact, if you watch my training, within, I would say, 15 minutes or so, you can start having email subscribers on your list. Guaranteed subscribers on your email list. You're only getting results. You're only getting results. There's no ifs, ands, or what's, no ifs about it. You will get email subscribers if you do what I show you how to do. There is no guesswork. You just push the few buttons and boom, you'll start getting email subscribers. It's really that simple. I can say with absolute certainty that an email list has been the most profitable thing in my business. It has allowed me to earn over $100,000 per year from relatively small list. Every year since 2012. That email list has been the absolute, lifesaver for me. It has produced vacations. When you can go out on vacation or go anywhere, you write a very short email, you press send, or you let AI write the email now, and you press send, and the rest of the day you've got sales coming into your account. That's true time freedom. That is an amazing thing. I've been living it every day for the past 12, 13 years. Making money while you sleep, that comes from having an email list. You write an email, you hit send, people go and open that email. You probably got to this page from somebody's email. You probably opened an email, read it. It was probably a really short. You probably clicked the link in the email. It took you to this page. And then if you purchase this product, the person that sent you in the email, they're going to make a little commission off of that. Okay? They're going to make some money off of that sale. And you could do the same thing. You write your emails, you send it out, you press send. People open your email, they click the link inside, they buy the thing that's on the sales page, and you get a percentage of the money. And so I've been doing that for over a decade now, every single day. And I'm here to tell you, it absolutely works. And so the big key that you're missing is the subscribers on your email list. And this makes getting subscribers on your email list absolutely effortless. It's effortless. When you see this system, it's going to blow your mind how simple and easy it is. There is no guesswork. You pop in a few little things, you hit go, subscribers start coming in. Period. That's it. It's just they start coming in. And if you do this, if you do what I show you how to do, and somehow by some crazy, unfathomable thing you don't start getting subscribers, I'll refund your money. I will send your money right back. If you could prove to me that you could do this and not get subscribers, I will be blown away. And you will understand why I can say that once you're inside. This is an email list building machine. It really is. And it's on autopilot. And you can do it every single day. You could be getting email subscribers every single day for as long as you want. No limit to how much you want. All right. And it's mind-boggling, the opportunity that you have here. Also, just in case you've never done email marketing in your life, I'm going to throw in my high-level email marketing training that shows you exactly what I do every single email campaign to bring over hundreds of sales, sometimes in hours, on email campaigns, on affiliate promotion campaigns. And we're talking 3 or 4 emails, and I can get hundreds of sales. And I'm going to show you the exact processes, everything I do, inside that training. Some of the highest level email marketing training that you can get. It comes from over 13 years of experience, and I show you exactly my step-by-step process for my emails, how to write the emails, what to put in the emails, how to make your conversions go through the roof, and little secrets that really nobody else knows and I haven't seen anybody else use, because it's just stuff that I've come up with over the years of doing this stuff. So if you've never written an email before in your life, you've never sent out an email, you've never had an email list, no problem, no worries. I've got you covered there. And if you already have an email list and you already do affiliate marketing with your email list, this is really, really going to ramp up your game. It's going to increase your conversion. It's going to help you get more sales and fast. I'll show you how to get a rush of sales on day one of promoting products, like an absolute avalanche of sales, even from the very first email. So that's going to be included inside this training for you as a bonus. Again, that was over $200. That is normal price for this training that I'm going to give you, throwing in as access just to get you off on the right foot, in case you're starting from scratch and have never done this email marketing thing before. So, that being said, click the button below, get inside. You won't be sorry. I'll see you on the inside.
So, as we can see here, Jeremy Kennedy kicks things off by showing some real results. He says he got over 610 subscribers in less than 48 hours using this exact system. And what makes this even more interesting is that it was all done on a completely brand new account, a brand new email list from day one of his campaign. Now, getting more than 600 subscribers in the first 48 hours is a pretty big deal for anyone in email marketing, especially when the whole process runs 100% on autopilot with no website, no content, and no ads. All right, let's see what's next.
All right, so that's a quick look at what the AutoLead machine can actually do. And honestly, for what it promises, the price is kind of crazy. It's just $9.95. Dang, that's cheap. For less than $10, you basically get a system that helps you start building your email list on 100% autopilot from day one without ads, content, or even a website. The link is right there in the description. Go check it out for yourself, see all the details, and grab your copy while it's still at that price. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions. I always reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.